Your girl is a whole credit repair specialist out here. Say hello. Ooh. Oh, it's been a minute since I made a video. A lot has happened. OMG. Don't mind my wig. It ain't right, but that's all right. So, updates. Listen. The purpose of this video is to just explain all of the business ventures that I've gone through, and I have yet to like fully find that one. So naturally I started out with braiding. Braiding was, successful because I was able to do that and not have to work a 9 to 5 up until I just got tired of it and just didn't want to do it anymore because it requires too much time and patience, and people don't want to pay. Well, the people that was coming to me, they didn't want to pay. What else? So from doing braids to enrolling in college and realizing real quick that was just not for me. So I did a year and that was it. Never went back. And then to just trying to live the 9 to 5 life and just off and on with braiding and 9 to 5, braiding and the 9 to 5 job, to learning how to do makeup, calling myself a makeup artist. Child, I can't beat nobody's face. Okay. What else? Once upon a time, I was even trying to sell clothes, start my own boutique and everything like that. Yeah, that didn't, no. And then it turned into making my braided wigs. Now, my braided wigs, that was, for me, it was a success because I was profiting and I was growing. But, when I broke my leg, it came to an end and, things just died. I still tried, and I still was able to do some here and there, but it didn't go anywhere. So after that, I call myself selling lip gloss and handbags, and that just turned into nothing. So I say all that to say, even though I've done all of those things, I'm still not giving up. I'm still trying. And with that being said, my next business venture is something that I've already started and I really, really like. I enjoy doing it. One, and it doesn't require a lot of time. It did for a little bit, but once you get the gist of things, it's like, yo, I can do this. So what it is it's me building people's credit. So listen, if you want your girl, you want to support your girl, tap that link. I'll leave a link or just ask for the link in the description section. I'm having a Valentine's Day sale. Okay. So here's what happened. I was taking a personal branding course by the one and only Tony Gaskins. And listen, anytime you purchase something from Tony Gaskins, you're going to get something else that you didn't ask for that will just be it'll be so beneficial in so many ways. And that's how I ended up getting into credit repair, because inside his personal brand course, he was talking about how successful people are, and he mentioned credit repair and a few people being successful from credit repair. And I was like, a light bulb just went off at that moment. And I wrote that down, and from all the notes that I took from that course, credit repair was the main one that stuck out the most to me. And I started doing my research, and I took another course, and I took another course to master this whole credit repair thing. And then I got certified for that. And then I made more investments into, not major investment, into credit repair. And with my lovely friend Christine. Hey Christine, if you see this. So now I'm a credit repair specialist. Your girl is a whole credit repair specialist out here. And I'm excited about that because I don't know, I guess I just want to see where this go, where it takes me. I've already, started sending out dispute letters for my clients. What I did was I went on my Facebook account and I let everybody know, hey, I'm learning how to do credit repair. This was probably like a while ago. I'm learning how to do credit repair and something for free. So I signed up 10 people. Oh my God, his truck is loud. I signed up 10 people, to fix their credit. And that's where I'm at. So all letters are mailed out. Now that I have my 10 people, I'm currently running a Valentine's Day special because we're in February. Why not? So it's a 2-for-1, Get your love partner, your love buddy, your love best friend, bestie, whoever, and get your credit fixed. Share the love and build credit. I like that. Share the love and build credit together. Listen, 2020 is my year, and I'm claiming it in this video. If 2020 is your year, claim it in the post, in the comment section below. Say 2020 is my year, okay? But things has still been tough, being that I have so much baggage and a lot to overcome. It's still been tough, but I've gotten through it. Another thing that happened was my story. If you're new, if you haven't watched any of my videos before, all 56 of you that's watched this video, my story was picked up by the news channel. I don't know if it aired or anything like that. All I know that it was picked up. The camera crew that came to my house and did everything that they needed to do. I was interviewed, I shared my story, and that was that. I don't know what happened with that, but the fact that they came was just crazy to me. I was so nervous and sweating. Anyways, I don't want to make this a long video. Oh my God, it's 8 minutes. I don't want to make this a long video. Thank you so much for watching. Listen, if you have a dream, and not a dream, if you are a business-minded person like me and you haven't made it yet, or even if you've made it and you feel stuck, keep going. Just keep going. You continue to do what you need to do. You continue to feed your mind, body, and spirit what it needs to keep going. Whatever it is that motivates you, you do that to keep going. And if a person doesn't believe in you, the only thing that matters is you believing in you, okay? And surround yourself with people that will believe in you and that will support you. With that being said, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Peace. Catch you in my next. Hey, my next video is gonna be. I'll be sharing the process of. Well, I missed out on the whole beginning phase process of this whole business credit thing. But wherever I'm at, I'll share the process, and hopefully it inspires you. Stay positive.